Welcome guys, how to earn money dogs. Open your Telegram account, search MONEYDOGS, okay, money dogs. Go to earn. Let's go. Connect your Telegram wallet. Open in your Telegram wallet. Okay. Connecting successfully. Wow. Back to money dog. How to earn more money dogs. So purchase your super pass. I have super pass.
Amazing!
Purchase requirement 1 ton. You become a super pass owner. So benefit of super pass, TGE benefits, APY 102x, 50,000 money dogs, 10% task rewards, super badge, okay, or leaderboard. So check your ranking, okay. Invite your relative and friends, copy URL and back your own group. So paste your link. So connecting your referral is your friend, okay. To make a 22 friend have joined, okay. Leaderboard, I will check it. Daily task, make tone awesome, 2000, 20,000, around fees of tone, okay. Reward, retweet creativity, or 1 million dog plus 220. Earn your money dogs. Boost money dogs channel, super pass 50,000, daily reward 200. Mostly task completed. You also complete this task and earn money dogs. So please subscribe my channel. More videos for no investing. Also use this bot money dogs. Okay, bye bye, take care.